What is up, everyone? I'm in Florida. I talked about it last video. I showed up. I'm here.
Welcome.
Gotta bleep that out. So today, I don't know what the title of the video it is, but I came down here for two purposes. Three. One, to visit LZ. Two, to drop off a car, my pewter S15, sold to another man in Florida. Didn't want to be filmed. That's cool. I get that. We dropped it off yesterday. I missed the thing already, but today we are replacing it. Not buying another car, replacing. That's the key word, replacing.
What are you gonna do with it? That's what I want.
What am I gonna do with it? Good question, LZ.
Were you with me when I bought this car?
I was not.
Oh, Tommy was.
So today I am buying Adam LZ's best car. Title of the video. Beep, boop, 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 boop.
It's probably the best car that I never built.
Best car you never built.
Next to my FD. Although I think it's just as nice as FD.
But the FD actually runs.
True.
We don't have much time, so we're literally just making a quick walkthrough video. And Adam's trying to kill me. So I have about 10 seconds to guess what car I bought.
Me?
Yeah.
I know what car you bought.
Oh, them.
Wait, did you pay me yet?
Some.
Jimmy Oaks, ladies and gentlemen.
Technical difficulties. So this side of the storage bay is Adam LZ's personal collection, right?
All right.
What car did I purchase from Adam LZ?
Let's see. Jimmy Oaks, big S chassis guy.
Huge.
Big FD guy, but only buys shells. Big Z guy.
That being said, I finally bought my first yellow car. I have been talking about it on my channel for the last, I think, 4 years, how I've said I've wanted a yellow car.
And it's already got the lip kit installed, baby.
That's it. This is it. Check this out, right? So if you guys haven't seen this car on Adam's channel, because he did a video on this when you bought it, right? Adam bought it, put it on the lift, realized he's got 1.5 million other projects, and I realized the same thing, but I want it. So
I actually have a VVL motor that's almost done that was supposed to go in this car.
all right, so check this thing out, right? So here we have, we could bring it down, but as you guys can see, it is stock body still, which is fantastic. Full Spec R aero, spats, side skirts, a real front bumper. Big selling point here, because as you guys know, this is probably the most expensive stock bumper to ever be produced by Nissan at this point.
What do they go for at this point, like 5 grand?
Like 55.
Damn.
Yeah, it's stupid. It makes no sense.
I want the mirrors back.
And Gannon doors already. So it has the Jimmy Oaks combo on it. It's an S15 and it's yellow. So the only downfall of this car is the fact that it's not actually Nissan yellow, the Lightning yellow, the EV1. It's
Lamborghini yellow.
Lamborghini yellow. What's cool about that though is it's like very yellow.
Yeah.
And I don't hate it. So the car was recently, you know what? Let's get this thing down and then talk about it, because this just feels stupid.
You can't look at it at all. You're like looking up. It's real clean underneath if you want to see that.
Yeah, check it out.
She may.
Absolutely.
Dude, look at the pinch welds.
Oh, they're still there.
Those are yours after you pay me.
Oh, and I can't wait to steal a diff out of your diff pile.
Well, no.
Yep.
It didn't come with a diff.
It came with a diff.
You're getting exactly what I got. I didn't get a diff.
Nope. Where's those formats though?
It doesn't come with format. I feel like I forgot to mention it doesn't come with a lot of things. There's no headlights.
It comes with headlights. You have a set of headlights for this, don't you? Don't tell me that. No, it comes with a set of headlights, doesn't it? I thought we talked about this. There's no headlights on the thing.
I got you. I got a new inbox for you, baby.
Just keep pushing this out. Back to B-roll.
This is me having seller's remorse. I don't sell things. Jimmy knows why I decided to sell this car, and it was not an easy decision, but I've been trying to hold myself accountable this year for selling a car for every car that I buy, which I know you did.
I did.
For this.
See, that was a point I was going to make in the video. I gave up one S15.
One pewter car for another pewter car.
This car was originally pewter. So here's the thing, right? My whole idea behind this was, my original plan was actually paint my pewter car either active red or EV1 yellow, right? Technically this isn't EV1, but it's a really good yellow and I'm not even mad about it. So what I get with this, right, is I get all the Spec R aero, which is probably exactly what I would have done. Like Gannon doors, a full complete paint job, complete color change.
New glass.
New glass, new trim, a beautiful shell. and really nice interior, and it didn't cost me much more. So it actually logically made too much sense.
And I'm the one who got fucked.
You did great.
I literally just sold this to Jimmy what I paid for it. So the only thing I made money on this car.
The floor mats. You kept the floor mats.
The floor mats.
You made a video.
And the one video I got.
You made a video.
Other than that, it's just been sitting on the shelf and it's been fun to look at. Like, oh, there's that car I'll never build.
It's a great piece in the background. And I finally have my first yellow car, and I'm so happy it's a yellow S15. I mean, dude, I was watching a video from like 4 years ago the other day, and I literally made a reference about a yellow car.
I really want to be stoked for you, and I don't want to come across in this video like I'm not stoked for Jimmy. I was really excited to build this car, and the fact that I have a motor coming and S chassis are so easy to build.
So easy.
That I'm really envious. As long as, wait, so you're keeping the black car?
Yes.
So then I can drive one when I come up to Connecticut.
For sure.
I won then. I won. I won out of this
Black
deal.
car has AC.
Yeah.
It's mint.
This car, what motor does it come with?
Yeah. Let's see what motor it comes with. You want to pop that for me? Yeah.
Pops the hood. It's fucking KA. Jimmy's stoked.
I'd be stoked. Survey says, oh wow. I'm really, really excited right now, and I feel like I should be showing it a little bit more, but I think we're both so burnt out, and we're just trying to like...
I'm just sad.
You're just sad? You know what's the worst? When you sell a car to someone and they're just like, well, I'll let you drive it. And you're like, that doesn't help.
No, I mean, I'm like, the goal with this car was to make a clean street car that I could send up to Connecticut and drive with you in your S15. So if you have two S15s in Connecticut and I can drive one of them, like, it fulfills the same purpose. I need a Connecticut S chassis I can drive. This one will be tuned by Jimmy O. It'll have support by Jimmy O because it'll live in Jimmy O's shop. So that's pretty cool. I feel like every time I buy an S chassis, I'm buying it honestly for me, and that's the hard part because I know honestly S chassis content does probably the worst of any content. You guys have seen so much S chassis content. Your builds are so cookie cutter at this point.
Shut the fuck up. So like everyone does S chassis, right? And like a lot of them are between clout, but the problem is I just really, really love S chassis, and that's why I just keep kind of like gravitating towards them. And well, this situation lined up really, really well for me. Lined up really well for me.
Well, I think,
and then
to be fair, I said I was replacing with another car. A car popped up, and like I needed an answer right away. For me to be able to rationalize buying this car that popped up, I was like, Jimmy, are you down to buy this car? I need to know right now. If you're down, I'm gonna buy this other car.
Well, someone else was supposed to buy it, and I gave him dibs.
True, and then they bailed out like a.
All right, so I don't know much what else to say about this. I'm pretty brain dead right now, but we gotta get this thing loaded up, get it on the trailer, and make sure they can safely get home to Connecticut with me. Got a long drive ahead of me, and I gotta get everything prepped tonight because I'm probably gonna leave in the morning. Hope you guys are stoked for me. I think it worked out all too well. So the pewter car is gone, which is a little heartbreaking because I really love that car. It meant a lot to me. But it's pretty cool that I'm able to kind of almost exchange it for what it was honestly on its way to become. So
remember, click below. Shop Jimmy O.
Click below, Shop Jimmy O for any and all Link products. Let's all pretend like you guys have never seen this car before. Sean, what do you think?
Fucking sick.
You're a big S15 guy.
Stoked you got it.
I mean, you know that means a lot.
Well, dust it off a little bit.
It'll be a lot dustier in my shop.
This car is so good. Jimmy's got his yellow car dream.
Finally got my yellow car, dude.
His yellow car dream, dude.
Finally.
So sick.
Crazy. It'll hit home once it's home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a fucking S15.
Man,
so cool.
What is in here? Hey, new center. Oh, brand new center console.
We'll ship them to you.
Power steering lines. Oh, floor mats, D-Max taillights, brand new center, and brand new shifter bezel. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Davis?
I like this car. This is Pete's favorite car, actually, so he's crying right now. Wipe his tears away.
It's okay, Pete. It's in good hands.
It is in good hands. You'll have fun. It'll look really nice. I'm excited to see what you do with it.
I'm excited for it because like it's been here for so long, just as like a shell in the corner. It like I forget that it's a car. You know what I mean?
Yep.
We'll make it a car. It'll be great.
Yay.
Yo, enough vlogging.
Yeah?
On the trailer, baby.
Boof.
They'll start loading. Let's talk about it. So it's sick. It is. I'm not done. Well, I've done a lot of talking, but all the little goodies it comes with, it might not seem like a lot, but it adds up very fast.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this car has, if you think about it, it has 10 grand
Oh my
arrow
God.
on it.
Mm-hmm.
Just a
Just an arrow.
arrow and a paint job.
Yup.
Crazy. It looks so sick right
Dude, it's so cool.
We're good. Don't stop, boy. Come on, Davis. Come on, Davis.
Yes, sir.
We're good. A little too this way. And stop. Hey, e-brake works. That's good. It's missing a lot of things, but not the e-brake.
Dude.
It looks so yellow.
Got a yellow boy.
Yes,
It's about
sir.
time. I'm like the last person to get a yellow car, and I've been the one talking about it for like 4 years.
Yeah.
Did I remember you're gonna paint that blue FD or the blue-green FD?
Oh yeah, the Montego blue one.
Yeah.
That was in yellow.
That was, dude, that was a long time ago.
A long time ago.
Yeah.
And I wish I didn't have to sell that car, but
Yeah.
all right. So now the next mission is one. We got open trailer space, so we're gonna be trailing Rudnick's car home if he ever shows up, and, and then hopefully we don't hit like a hailstorm or car. Something happens. I don't know. I'm just
What you? Davis, you fucked up.
Alright, so it's a lot darker over here than I thought, but I found some stock taillights and it looks so good in here. Stock taillights on the yellow. So beautiful. Absolutely love it. That looks so good. Look at him. He just pulled up.
Yo!
Hey, yo!
Get the fuck inside!
Is that?
What up? Hate it!
Is that thing knocking?
Don't start with it. Go, is he in the way?
Go, 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 go.
The car is really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty freaking cool. Follow us, bitch.
For the record, he just drove 3 hours on a plate from the UK.
Yep. Welcome to Florida.
That's sick.
Hello, sir.
Sir. It's a really cool car.
Dude, it's a sick car.
I haven't seen this thing in 2 years.
I think it's been like 3.5, dude. It's been a long time.
Almost 3. Yeah. This thing's
We
cool.
got in the UK, drove it all the way to Germany, blew it up,
Yup.
went back to the UK, put an engine in it,
Yup.
and now here we are.
I love that. Oh my god, look how good it looks, dude.
Oh,
It's
I'm
hitting home,
so
dude.
stoked for you, dude.
It's finally hitting.
Yeah. Congratulations again.
you, buddy.
Thing's so cool.
Mike,
I'm Mike.
You're the coolest guy I know.
Stop.
You're the coolest guy I know.
Stop.
Have you seen your collection? Alright, let's get this thing on there. Get her home.
Tell him to hit it like a jump.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, you got it. Easy peasy. That's it.
Done deal.
Done deal. Now Rudnick can pay for gas.
I'm hearing it tick.
You hear it?
Yeah.
You hear that?
It's the sound of the Subarus.
Ooh.
Asshole. Fuck you.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Sounds like head gasket.
Yeah.
Head gasket.
Yeah.
Head gasket. It's like hissing out water.
Oh, look at it, dude.
Wait, what?
Did you just blow your head gasket on the trailer?
Dude, I'd be so mad. You see the sway bars upside down?
Look at the end link, Mike.
Isn't that kind of crazy? I will know, I didn't touch that, just so you know.
The sway bar is backwards.
Dude, that's actually kind of, what happened?
Good timing.
Did it overheat?
It's a great time to break this thing.
Yeah.
Dude, I just drove it for 4 hours. What are you talking about?
At least there's some water left in it, yeah?
What is happening?
This means there's still water in it.
I guess.
Oh, I thought the hood just popped
Hey,
itself.
Pascal's the Subaru guy.
Yeah.
He's
Oh,
actually a
thank God.
Subaru guy.
If it's leaking
Thank
water,
God
that
it's
means
still
it
up.
has water.
Yeah.
The header tank.
Let's see.
Get up here. Someone's messing with me. What'd you guys do?
Is the turbo line leaking?
Yep.
Is it?
The turbo line? Dude, I cannot believe that just happened when you pull on the trailer.
He
Literally.
thinks it just happened now.
Well, no, I was
4
checking the
hours ago.
temps the whole time.
Yeah, well, it doesn't get to the temp sensor when there's no water in there.
Is it leaking on the block side?
Alright, well it looks pretty cool. This trailer has definitely had some pretty cool combos on it right now. There's a yellow S15 and a right-hand drive GC STI. Pretty dope. So, I could edit this video, go home, and then start the drive back to CT. I probably won't film the whole traveling process just because it's long, boring, and yeah, I'm tired. need water, need sleep, and well, I hope you guys are stoked for me. It all worked out really well. Yeah, I'm super pumped. It was cool to get a car from Adam. It was cool to get that car. Everything that I was hoping my pewter car to be, already done, saving myself a bunch of time and money. And well, on to the next thing. So next time you guys see me, I'll be in CT and we'll go from there. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.